Adding binary numbers sounds easy, until this happens. You could convert to integers, but that's cheating. LeetCode 67. Add binary. 2 strings. No integers allowed. Output 10101. We solve it like real addition. From right to left. 0 plus 1 plus carry 0 equals 1. Result 1, carry 0. 1 plus carry 0 equals 2. Result 0, carry 1. 0 plus carry 1 equals 1. Result 1, carry 0. 1 plus carry 0 equals 2. Result 0, carry 1. Remember, carry is just memory. And result is sum modulo 2. Add digits. Track carry. Move left. Repeat. Modulo 2 gives the result. Floor divide by 2 gives the carry. Result, 10101. Accepted. Now you know, but can you solve it without carry?